How is he physically and otherwise?
Yeah, so obviously I cannot delve into that. I'd like to reiterate no, that we were advised to refrain from sharing information about our visits with him. But all I can assure you is that he is alive and well, and it was a very heartwarming visit. Ayun. And as I left, I told him na, ayun, I'm talking about more of me lang, no, what I said to him. So I just told him na, you know, that I don't think you realize how much more I love myself knowing that I'm molded in your likeness. I just told him how proud I am to, you know, to have been raised by him. And then he was happy. We bid each other goodbye with hugs and kisses. And then ayun, he went off.
But he seems healthy
Yes,
and
yes,
strong.
yes.
No reason for anyone to worry about him.
No reason to worry. But ayun, as I said, I cannot discuss further.
Okay. So,
Can I,
since,
can I ask one question? Kit, on a different matter, there seems to be a lot of effort right now to impugn your family, no? To be involved in all whatever controversy. Just as a Duterte, as Veronica Kitty Duterte, how do you feel with all of this effort? I know it's a little bit political.
You know, no, they can keep trying. Malinis yung konsensya eh. Ganun talaga yan. Problema ng North, Duterte yung dadalhin na pangalan. So, there, yeah, it's something we were prepared for, I guess. For our name to be dragged wherever in whatever issue. So, I think the best we can do is, you know, hope for the best and, you know, prepare for the worst.
Kit, do you have a message to all of those supporters right now because the confirmation of charges hearing were postponed, but still supporters, I believe, will still come here with respect to mga prepared na mga events. What's your message to the supporters of your father?
Yes, to those supporters no, who still plan on coming here, of course, I cannot tell you not to come kung gusto niyo talaga, but ayun, I would just like to extend my heartfelt and everlasting gratitude to all of you for sticking it through until now. It's been 5 months.
Almost 6 months.
Yeah, almost 6 months, half a year. So it's a pretty long time, and for, you know, hindi naman nila nakakasama sa PRD on the daily, but you know, that amount of support, of course, it's overwhelming now. Wow, there are people who love him and respect him this much. So as his daughter, who also loves him dearly, I would like to thank you, and that this is something that as a family we would never ever forget.
will you still be here 19 to 23?
I'm not sure, parang hindi na attorney kasi ayun, for the rallies, correct?
Yes.
So I think that by that time the grandchildren will be taking over. That is VM Rigo, there's Kong Omar, and there's Isabel.
Kit, just one last final. How are you managing everything, being on top with respect to your education, visiting your father, and all the family things?
I've been asking that also. I honestly don't know.
Yeah.
But actually, kanina no, my classes almost finished at 7 a.m. So I slept around 7 a.m. Then I woke up at 12. And then, ayun, kaya, diretso na.
I'm asking because you serve as an inspiration to a lot of Filipinos.
I think it's just a matter of how much you want it, how much you love what you're doing, and how much you love, it's not me, how much I love my dad. So it's just a matter of how much you want it, and how much you wanna, you know, how far you wanna go for it.
Thank you, Kitty.
Thank you.
Ay.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm stay on na ako ha.
Sige, ma'am.
Nakita na ko sa RTL News that imuha daw papa kay nakasakit daw pero di lang daw pa known nga unsa ang
Actually, no, he is 80, ma'am. Of course, pag 80 ka, you have like ailments, a lot of ailments, no? Sakit yung likod, may diabetes. So, I think it's yung mga normal ailments for an 80-year-old, ni naman yung something that we have to really worry about.
yeah, sa RTL News sa Netherlands.
But for an 80-year-old, he is pretty strong.
Yeah.
Minsan, nakikipag-racing pa siya sa tungkod niya. So, he's fine.
He's
He's
fine.
okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Kit.
Thank you.
So you have time for pictures, no? Lalo